What's up, guys? This is a inflatable soccer dartboard that I got off of Amazon. These are all the pieces that you get with it. You get like the blower, the actual inflatable, and then you get 4 soccer balls of each color. This is kind of where you would zip it up to make sure the air doesn't come out. You get all these arrows and bow and arrows and a bag to hold everything. This is it, just getting blown up. As you can see, it's super fast, only takes maybe 60 seconds or so to fully inflate. But me and my son had so much fun with it. He loved just kicking the ball at it and being able to score on it. This would be a great thing to have at parties, or if you're having a big event or something like that. This would be great to have there, and it's super easy to set up as well. Like I said, you get 4 of each color of soccer ball, and everything's Velcro. The dart is Velcro except for the blue part. And you can kick this ball as hard as you can at the inflatable. It's not going to knock over or pop the balls or anything. So that's super fun. You can play it with adults or teenagers. It also comes with a couple of bows and some arrows that you can use to shoot on the target as well. So you're not only playing soccer, but you can do that. And it also comes with 4 stakes to stake the inflatable down so it doesn't blow away in the high wind or anything. It comes with some ropes too that you can tie to the sides if you want as well. And the takedown is just as easy as the setup. It takes about 30 to 60 seconds for it to fully deflate, and then you can fold it all together and put it in the bag that it comes with. Overall, this is a great find, and it was super fun to play with, and I would definitely recommend it. Go check it out.